Good morning. So I thought that it would be a fun video for today to do a day in the life. So I'm gonna walk you through my day and what it looks like. I just woke up Romy. It's 7 a.m. Actually, let me rephrase that. Romy just woke me up and it is 7 a.m. and it is time to feed her and play with toys. Can you? Yeah. Ready. Okay, so now it is time to head out to the studio. Made it to work. Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. So Lydia just got here. I'm filming a day in the life video.
Oh, welcome.
I have an Insta Live session this morning at 9, and we have like 2 seconds to get ready for it, so we are going to get set up. I think that, do you like the setup of all the paintings on the walls?
Yeah, it's really good. Kind of.
So I just finished up the Instagram Live with my friend Marquin. She is a fabulous artist from Greenville, living in Spain right now. Go follow her, she is amazing. And now it's time to go wake up Romy and get her dressed. And then we'll come back out here and do some more work. Oh, hello. Hi. You're like, I'm ready to get up. That one? Okay, that is what she wants to wear today. Romy is ready for the day, so we are going to head back out to the studio and get some work done with Miss Lydia. Hello! Okay, you ready to take some pictures? So I have a few minutes before lunch, so I'm gonna quickly sketch out our layout for the preview of this Marsh collection that's gonna go out to our mailing list next week. And then Lydia, Romy is very difficult to work with today. She's a little cranky. You smile. Lydia's gonna put it on the computer later this afternoon. get lunch, and somebody is very excited. While Romy eats her lunch, I try to eat my lunch at the same time so that I'm using my time most efficiently. It is time for Romy to go to sleep. Romy will sleep from 12:30 to 2:30 today, but since she woke up early from her morning nap, I'm hoping she sleeps a little bit longer so that I can get a little bit more done this afternoon. Just finished cleaning up lunch. Now it is time to go back into the studio. So this 12:30 to 2:30 nap time is really when I'll get the majority of my work done. I have a few hours while Romy is sleeping to paint, so I'm gonna work on some paintings, and Lydia is working on our mail. So we have a Zoom call today at 2:30, so I'm gonna take a break from painting and we're gonna go ahead and have that call. Hopefully get in a little bit more painting before the day is over. For the rest of the afternoon, I am going to be painting and hopefully finishing up a few of the larger paintings for this collection. Hey, pretty. You healthy?
To pick up our prints. Bye, Brooke.
See ya. I'll see you tomorrow. So I just finished up painting for the day, and now it's time to go inside and make dinner and start our evening routine. A lot of times we will have dinner, well, I'll start making dinner at 5, we'll eat at 6, Romy has playtime, and then bath time at 6:30, and she goes down at 7, and Michael and I will come back out into the studio so that I can paint a little bit more without the baby. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe, and we will see you later. Bye, y'all.